Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer file from computer to phone with Bluetooth enabled. To start, bear in mind, to transfer file from PC onto phone, first you need to enable Bluetooth device on both PC and phone. For more information on how you can enable Bluetooth on phone and PC, click on the link at the top. So to start, to transfer file from PC onto phone, see to it that both PC and phone Bluetooth is enabled and being paired together to transfer file from the PC onto the phone. So this is my PC, my phone. This shows that the PC and phone is paired together to transfer file from PC onto phone. So on my desktop, I have files, video, and picture. That's YouTube picture. So to transfer this picture, I right click on it and I click on send to. Then I choose Bluetooth device. And I choose the phone that has been connected to PC. This Nokia has been connected to my PC. Then I click on it. The file will be transferred. After that, you accept the incoming file on the phone. It shows that the file has been successfully transferred. Now you can open the file on your phone, selecting the file to picture or the file that has been transferred. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.